Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and thanks for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means well. Thank you so very much. I just wanted to show you all that there were the two guys that's locked up for young Dolph's cases have been indicted, y'all. I'm gonna turn it up for you all so you all can hear it.
Cornelius Smith. Smith, good morning. So we're actually waiting right here with your handcuffs. So I'm gonna tell you've been indicted by the grand jury of Smith, charged in indictment 22-00014 with the offense of first-degree murder. With Smith, that offense carries a sentence of life in prison. The state of Tennessee could also file a notice to seek the death penalty or to seek life in prison without the possibility of parole. You've also indicted in count 2 of this case with Smith in charge of criminal attempt to commit a felony to with first-degree murder. That Class A felony carries anywhere from 50 to 60 years in prison. Count 3 with Smith charges you with being a convicted felon in possession of a firearm, alleging that you were convicted of an aggravated assault. That's a felony with statutory elements involved violence and attempted use of violence. That B felony also carries 8 to 30 years in prison. This offense occurred after July 1st, 2021. That's an 85% sentence. Because if you're convicted of that crime, you have to serve 85% of that sentence. You've also been charged with employing rather firearms in the commission of a felony offense.
These are some serious charges, y'all.
Carries anywhere from 3 to 15 years in prison. The gun charge is a 100% sentence for Smith. If you're convicted of a gun charge, you have to serve 100% of that sentence. You have to run consecutive to attempted murder. You've also been indicted by the grand jury and charged with theft of property.
There's straight drop too.
Felony carries anywhere from 3 to 15 years in prison. Mr. Smith, do you understand what you're charged with, sir? Yes, sir. Mr. Smith, do you have an attorney? You are in the process of trying to hire an attorney right now, sir? Yes, sir. Who's going to hire an attorney for you, Mr. Smith? Have you talked to an attorney yet? Yes. Do you know what attorney you're trying to hire, Mr. Smith? Not at the moment. How much time do you need in order to get
So he still don't have a lawyer yet.
You think you'd have a lawyer in a week, sir?
They are talking about life in prison or the death penalty, y'all. Somebody about to talk.
Ms. Johnson, good morning, sir.
Next.
In that indictment 2103333, you are indicted for the same similar conduct, brother. Let me rephrase that. As in 22-00014, brother, you're indicted for the same conduct as your co-defendant, Mr. Cornelius Smith. Count 1 charged with first-degree murder. Again, that carries a sentence of life in prison if convicted. Life under Tennessee law, Mr. Johnson, is construed to be 60 calendar years. You have to serve 51 years of that sentence before you become eligible for release. Attempted first-degree murder carries 15 to 60 years in prison. Being a convicted felon in possession of a firearm carries 8 to 30 years in prison. Employing a firearm in commission of attempted murder carries anywhere from 6 to 15 years in prison. That gun charge is 100% sentence, Mr. Johnson. If you're convicted of using a gun, employing a gun,
Look at the other guy looking at straight drop.
Serve minimum sentence of 6 years and 100%. Those sentences have to run consecutively. You've also been indicted for theft of property. That C felony carries 3 to 15 years in prison. You have a second indictment.
He not taking it serious because he keep getting out.
Preceded by the other indictment, which I just read into the record, 1210333 charged with first-degree murder, attempted first-degree murder, and theft of property. Now, do you understand the charges against you, Mr. Johnson? Do you have an attorney, sir? You're working on hiring an attorney. Mr. Johnson, who's going to hire an attorney for you, sir? How long will it take you to get a lawyer, Mr. Justin Johnson? How much time do you want to continue your case so that you and your family can hire an attorney, sir?
He don't have a lawyer either.
Tell me, Judge Coffey, I cannot afford an attorney. I will appoint an attorney for you. Do you understand it, sir? You can afford an attorney. Mr. Smith, stand up for a second also. Mr. Smith, if you tell me that you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint a lawyer for you also. Do you understand it, sir? You tell me that you can afford an attorney. Mr. Johnson, Mr. Smith, you do not need the court to appoint an attorney for you. Is that correct? And Mr. Smith, you told me you could have an attorney hired in a week or two. Mr. Johnson, you told me you don't know how long it would take to hire an attorney. When would you like to be back in court so you can let me know whether or not you were able to hire an attorney, Mr. Johnson? About a week. Mr. Hackett, you handle this case with, say, Mr. Griffiths?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're both asking for a week, is that correct?
So let's see if they're going to get them a lawyer in a week, y'all. CMG. Allegedly, y'all.
Mr. Hackett, was Friday of next week, the 28th of January, the next week?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith and Mr. Johnson, I'm going to continue your case until Friday, January 28th. That will give you about 9 days to see if you get a lawyer hired. Now, if you come back on Friday, the 28th of January, and you tell me that you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint an attorney for you. I will appoint a private lawyer for you, somebody who's qualified to handle the most serious cases in the state of Tennessee. I will appoint a lawyer for you if you tell me you're not hire an attorney. Now, I cannot let you sit in jail week after week, month after month without an attorney because it will violate your rights. Do you understand this, sir? Mr. Johnson, you have any questions, sir? Mr. Smith, do you have any questions? I'll see you both back in court on Friday, January 28th. If you have a lawyer hired, that's fine. If not, I'm going to appoint an attorney for you. You can both step back in the back. Thank y'all for bringing Mr. Smith and Mr. Johnson to court for you.
Okay, y'all. So January 28th is their next court date. Neither one of them has an attorney thus far. So let's see if their people are going to throw them under the bus and let them hang by themselves, or are they going to hire a lawyer for them? Okay. And like I just said, you know, I'm wondering even if Key Glock gonna help with the lawyer, especially if he's involved, y'all. Okay. Anyway, y'all, please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thanks for watching. Peace.